Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. We have an exciting product to discuss today that has taken the world by storm. Lenovo unveiled the groundbreaking Yoga Book 9i, the world's first dual-screen OLED laptop. Say goodbye to the integrated keyboard and hello to two stunning touchscreens connected by a clever hinge. If you're eager to dive into all the details and discover what makes this laptop truly exceptional, make sure to stick around. And if you're a fan of this kind of content, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Price and availability. With a starting price of $2,100, this cutting-edge dual-screen laptop is packed with features that will leave you in awe. Lenovo has announced plans to launch this marvel of technology in June 2023, promising to bring a whole new level of productivity and creativity to users around the world. However, as with any exciting release, please keep in mind that launch dates may vary depending on your location. Design. This innovative dual-screen laptop is here to revolutionize the way you work, play, and create. With its stunning OLED screens, the visuals are nothing short of breathtaking, providing vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. The versatility of the Yoga Book 9i is truly remarkable. It can be used in multiple ways to suit your needs. Whether you want to use it as a dual-monitor workstation, a traditional clamshell laptop, or even hold it like a book and flip through virtual pages, the choice is yours. One of the standout features of this device is its ability to use both screens simultaneously. Imagine browsing Twitter with your timeline flowing down onto the second screen in a vertical alignment, a neat trick that sets this laptop apart from conventional clamshell designs. The OLED screens truly come to life when watching videos, offering immersive and captivating viewing experiences. You can even fold the Yoga Book 9i like a tablet or position it in tent mode for optimal viewing angles. Lenovo has gone the extra mile by providing a bundled package that includes a Bluetooth keyboard, stylus, and stand. The integration of the Bluetooth keyboard is seamless, as the device immediately recognizes its presence and creates a virtual trackpad when attached to the bottom screen. The Yoga Book 9i also offers clever gesture controls, such as displaying a virtual keyboard when you place all 8 fingers on the touchscreen. While the haptic feedback might not match that of a traditional keyboard, it's still a convenient option for browsing the web without the need for an external keyboard. With the inclusion of the stylus, note-taking becomes a breeze and the bottom screen provides a more natural canvas for jotting down ideas. The versatile stand adds another layer of functionality, allowing you to position the device both horizontally and vertically. While Windows readiness for such a form factor has been a concern, the Yoga Book 9i handles it admirably, with only minor delays in recognizing alignment changes. Lenovo's attention to detail shines through with features like the instant transition to the Windows desktop when the keyboard is removed. In summary, the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i offers an exciting and groundbreaking experience. Its dual-screen design opens up a world of possibilities, while the OLED screens deliver stunning visuals. With bundled accessories including a Bluetooth keyboard, stylus, and stand, this laptop is ready to empower your productivity and creativity. Whether you're a digital artist, a multitasking professional, or a content consumer, the Yoga Book 9i is a top-notch choice. Get ready to embrace the future of computing. Specs and performance. This sleek device is powered by the latest 13th generation Intel Core U-series processors, offering solid performance for your everyday tasks. While it may not match the raw power of a MacBook Pro or content creation laptops, it still delivers reliable performance for your productivity needs. Keep in mind that it doesn't have the option for a discrete GPU, so it's not aimed at intensive graphics tasks. With up to 16GB LPDDR5X memory and the option for up to 1TB storage, the Yoga Book 9i provides ample space to store your files and multitask efficiently. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring you can enjoy the fastest home network speeds currently available. Although the specifications are solid, it may not be groundbreaking. However, it's important to consider that you're paying for the unique dual-screen design, which sets this laptop apart from the competition. So while you may not be getting top-of-the-line processing power, the exceptional versatility and functionality of the Yoga Book 9i make it worth the investment. Elevate your productivity and embrace the future of computing with this impressive device. And that concludes today's video on the incredible Lenovo Yoga Book 9i. We've explored its dual-screen design, stunning OLED screens, and productivity-grade performance powered by the latest Intel processors. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts. Are you tempted to purchase this innovative laptop? Let us know in the comments below. If you have any further questions or want to discuss anything related to the Yoga Book 9i, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting tech content.